I want to show you guys an update on how my Profem challenges are going, especially in reaching my goal of $100,000 in Profem capital. Fashi, please ignore how my room looks. This is my roommates. My roommates are wild, man. So without further ado, let's get a chart. Let's see journal. So this is Trader Waves. It's like an automated trading journal I use for my prop firms. So any trade I take on my prop account, it automatically syncs up to this journal, so I don't have to manually impute the entries and all. So as you can see, this is the status of the account of my swing trading account I have. I've only taken 6 trades so far, and I'm up about 4.6% to pass. So yeah, to pass this prop firm, to pass this is single step prop account challenge. So I only need about 5% to pass phase 1, and I'm almost halfway through. I have a 50% win rate so far, but it's actually 60%, 66% thereabout, because there was an entry I closed in slight loss just to get a better entry, and that entry was on Euro CHF. So I believe I got triggered in here with a limit order. Then I closed because I think I over risked on this trade. So I closed in slight drawdown over here to properly size my position, and I entered at a correct lot size over here, and yeah, it hit my take profit. So you can see here, sell on Euro CHF, and ended up in profit. I find the swing trading account to be the most suitable for me because I really don't have to be at the charts that often. I do my analysis, I set my limit order, and just go on with my day. And all I have to do is to patiently wait for my limit order to get triggered and not interfere with the trade once I'm triggered in. So I either let it hit stop loss or break even. That's the only way I exit a trade properly. So as you can see, 4% up. Yeah, but for my scalping account, I can't really say the same about it. The reason why this is still in drawdown was because at the start of the challenge I made some mistakes. I broke a couple of my rules by trading 3 extra pairs instead of only gold. So I obviously lost on all these pairs here, and I had a few lot sizing errors which also contributed to the drawdown. I'm currently only trading gold. As you can see, I've taken 8 trades on gold alone, and I plan on continuing to do so. You can see on the journal, I'm 3% in. Yeah, I'm 3% in drawdown from 5%. Last week I was 5% in drawdown, but this week I've recovered. I made some wins, and I'm just 3% in drawdown. If I can show you some trades. Okay, this setup over here that I'm showing was quite annoying because I got in. I missed this trade setup. I technically missed this trade setup. Why? Because as you can see, the time it was around 8:55 a.m., 9 a.m. that this setup was forming, but I had classes at the time. So by the time I wanted to enter the okay, as I was preparing to go for the class, I waited a bit more because I did not mind going late for the class. As soon as I clicked buy, the Wi-Fi went out and I wasn't able to properly enter this trade. So I was so angry when this happened. I had a worse position. I entered at a worse price, and I ended up going for just a 1:1 because of this. And you can see on the history, just made a 1R on the 5,000 account I have, on the $5,000 account I have. And yeah, this could have been $100, but just made 1R. This is better than having a loss, I guess. Yeah, it's better than having a loss, but this is where I could have entered. Like immediately after the bullish close, this is where I should have entered. But Wi-Fi, I had poor connection. I even sent it out to my Telegram group, like my Telegram channel. I literally said over here that I was watching gold, and our zone was tapped, and I was about to enter on the bullish close. So this is when I said I wasn't able to catch it because of classes. I wasn't able to catch it because of class, but I actually caught it. I didn't just know at the time that I actually got triggered in, and my buy registered, but at a worse price. I didn't know at the time. I thought I completely missed the trade. Better than a loss, I guess. So yeah, that's the updates. I'm minus 3% in drawdown I'm 3% in drawdown on my scalping account, and 4.6% in profit on my swing account. Okay, so for my swing trading strategy, obviously I caught a couple of wins using my strategy, and I just started using strategy A a while ago, just recently. But yeah, these are the setups I have for next week. I use my strategy is based on Fibonacci logic and market structure and imbalance. So I just look for a swing high and swing low. I just look for swing points. I drag my fib ratio from the swing point and I enter off the 0.71 fib level. This makes it as mechanical as possible. It's so simple, and this is why I like it as a swing trading strategy, because I use it on the 4-hour time frame and I don't have to be constantly at the chart because I'm a student. I don't really have time for that. So I just do this and it's been working well so far, as you can see by this. Let me do this. As you can see by this, I just drop from swing low to swing high, price taps, heads to TP, swing low, swing high, hopefully price taps and heads to TP. I've had a couple of wins with this. Yeah, that's it, guys. Okay, there's one I'm currently eyeing on Euro JPY. This one is also for next week. Swing low, swing high. Price has already tapped the 0.71, but I'm not in this trade because I didn't see it at the time. So I'm it's my goal. But if price hovers close to this zone, I might enter manually and just set the parameters as you're seeing here, and hopefully it also hits TP. I'm increasing my risk to 1.5% per trade now because I have I currently have a high win rate with the strategy. So I just want to pass these challenges as quickly as possible so I can make a withdrawal. Okay, so basically just recording this video like 1 week later. But what I was saying was that the goal was to pass the 5k accounts, then withdraw the profits and reinvest the profits into more prop accounts. Then we keep on stacking until we have met our goal of $100,000. So yeah, that's it. But the earlier screenshot I showed on Euro JPY, the setup ended up hitting stop loss low, but it was a good setup in my opinion. The CHF JPY trader also showed, well, this one is going, if you enter this trade, then you'll be in profit right now. Yeah, that's it. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.